kinakanta nyo. We're watching you guys. Parang, parang ginaganon yung heart ko na parang, we're so happy na there are really people that, nag-look up sa amin. And as an artist, yun yung pinaka-fulfilling na feeling na mararamdaman na isang artist na kinakanta ng tao yung kanta nila. That's why we are so thankful. But, ayun, parang mag-party-party kami ngayon eh. Sasabay ba kayo sa amin? Mag-party-party ngayon.
Ito, feeling ko magugulat sila dito.
Yeah, feeling ko magugulat. Magugulat talaga kayo na ito.
But before that, 18, thank you so much sa pagsabay sa amin sa pagkanta ng Liham. Maraming salamat. But tonight, alam namin na magkakasama tayo dito at marami na kaming pinakita. But ang tanong, 18, ready na ba kayo for the next?
Ready.
Are you guys ready for next?
Ready na ba kayo?
18, let's get ready for tonight!
Get ready for the night. I'm ready. I've been waiting for this time for so long. Get ready for the night. Get ready. I've been waiting for this time for so long. Get ready for the night. I think it's a habit. I don't wanna be the one to say, but that's my change you. Oh, goes just an example, just a little bit. Easy, baby, don't forget me. Always been ready, eating tasty, Lord have mercy. And we can take time and go. Just a little bit more. I can be the one that you get those fights and the feelings. So baby, tell me how to live it. Tell me, let's go. Let's have let's just give and take it all. I've been waiting for this night for so long. Get ready for the night. You ready? I've been waiting for this night for so long. Get ready for the night. 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 I ain't giving rocks a day. Because I talk to girl, fuck your person. Yeah, you're talking to the father. If you never love your life, well, I'll get you to a villa where you like. Tonight, night. Oh, baby. That house life we're living, and we get right back feeling. And I can take it down if you with it, and I can be the feeling is gone. So baby, tell me how to live it.
much, Sir Apple. Grabe, sobrang special ng araw na to, guys. Pinakitaan tayo ng dance moves. Grabe. Okay, but it's an honor po to be with this, to be with stage with you, Sir Apple.
With the legend. With the legend.
Maraming salamat for having me with you guys, to rock with you guys. And I'm proud of you guys representing our culture around the world. So.
Sabi ko lang, iba talaga ang Pilipino! 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 Pilipino!
Hoy pare, pakinggan nyo ako. Ito na tunay na Pilipino. Galing sa baryo, sa pagbato. Pumunta ng LA, nagtrabaho para makatulong sa nanay. Dahil sa hirap ng buhay, pero masaya pa rin ang kulay. Pag kumain ng kakamay, yung kare, chicken and popo. Yung pala pinipita sa kanto, tagay mo na nga ang baso. Pare ko, inom mo na Pilipino! 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 Bebon, 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 ikaw ang aking bebon, 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 ikaw ang aking bebon, 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 ikaw ay Filipino! 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 Filipino!
Grabe, sobrang nakakabilib. And narinig nyo ba yung song na pinerform namin? Narinig nyo? Naku, abangan nyo dahil malapit na rin yan. It's SB19 and Sir Apple the App collaboration. Again, everyone, let's give a hand of round of applause for Sir Apple the App! Thank you so much, Sir Apple!
Thank you so much, Sir Apple. Nabulol ako.
Ano ba yan? 18?
Thank you so much, Sir Apple! Thank you so much!
Day 1 pa lang to, day 1 pa lang.
Grabe, day 1 pa lang to.